podemos conversar, né?
Vermelha was the project that we never expect to go on serial production. It was condemned here in Brazil as a one-off piece, and many people laugh on us when we show that project because it's composed of a metal structure with it by 450 meters ropes. Insane work, I could say. It used to take 1 week to be made. We had this dream of how to reprocess the weaving system, in our point of view, more free, more gestual, more chaotic.
I always say that the career, the design métier came to us. We never expected to be designers because I was a lawyer, I graduated in law, but I gave up just in the beginning and I started taking courses of clay sculptures as well metal sculptures. And my intention was always to be an artist, sculptor. And Fernando gave me the direction to go to be a designer.
I was graduating architecture, and then when I was in the last year of the architecture school, I made an internship in the Bienal of Art of São Paulo. So it was a kind of preparation to join Humberto, but without any expectation, because I was not called to be his partner or to share creation. I was called to be the delivery guy, and just to give him a helping hand in a Christmas, in a holiday season. And since I entered in the studio, I stayed there for 25 years. And then I found a fertile place to plant seeds, but not in architecture, but in a different scale, transforming his sculptures into functional pieces.
Our main challenge, we have lots of materials in our studio. I wish people could see how many colors, many textures is all over the place. It's like a favela, I would say, because whenever it's too chaos, I like where I found the life on this. And our main challenge is to create materials with other elements.